continuing on with the Christmas festivities, and we're gonna just show you what we eat. Oh, you know, generally I know South Africa, when it's Christmas time, what we normally will have is like, you know, some tennis or biscuits. Like, we love our assorted biscuits. So once that box come out, you know it's Christmas. Well, obviously every country has its own thing, so we're gonna go and see how the French get ready for Christmas and show you a bit of the yummy foods, the comfort foods that you will have when you're the side if you are here for Christmas, and just continue with the Christmas festivities, because we love our Christmas. We love to Christmas. So yeah, let's just go check it out. I know that I want to find some foie gras, because during Christmas time that's what you have, and obviously because we're in France, we have champagne. So let's go and find some stuff to just get us in the mood for the coming Christmas festivities. Let's go! I'm now in a market and I'm going to show you around. Obviously, if you're in a market, I have to wear a mask. So I just want to show you all the different things that you can find, the different yummy foods, the Christmas foods that you should try when you're this side. Let's go check it out. So, what's more Christmas than, or luxurious than truffles? So yes, in Paris we do that as well, like a whole store dedicated to all your truffle galores. Obviously you don't do this every year, it's just every once in a while where you, I mean obviously during Christmas time where you do it. And I'm going to show you some of the products they have on offer for your truffle lovers. Well, I mean luxurious truffle lovers. Not everybody loves a truffle, but everybody can afford it. But anyway, let's see what they have. So we have truffle bonbon, which are chocolates, actual truffle chocolates made out of truffles, real truffles. We have a lot of different truffle products on offer. Some salmon and some truffles on it, and obviously some foie gras. Would it be Christmas without some chocolate? Obviously a French thing as well. They love their sweet stuff, so let's go see what chocolatey goodnesses they have on the side for offer. I've never seen a real coconut chocolate nut. I don't know what it's called actually. I'll put it in the description bar. But wow, that's so cool. Wow. Have you ever seen so many eclairs, different types of eclairs? All the different types of eclairs you can imagine. Wow, I love myself. The French know their pastries, you know this. So pastries around about this time is a big thing. Let's see what they have. That is a chocolate eclair, guys. Look at how yummy that looks. Oh my gosh. Those look so good.
Good stuff. Foie gras, guys. If you've been to France, you know how much they love their foie gras, but specifically in Christmas time. So you'll find this everywhere. Oh, guys, you need to try foie gras. It tastes like butter, but like the smoothest animal butter you'll ever taste. So good.
That's how it actually looks. That's the liver of the duck. Guys, it doesn't look as delicious as it might taste, but it tastes amazing. Like I said, we love our champagne this side because I mean, at Paris, France, how can you not love champagne? So all the champagnes you can think about everywhere right now because it's Christmas and we gotta celebrate. So yeah, that's definitely French. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed a bit of time with me while we get ready for Christmas, and I'm wanting to just wish everybody a happy holiday. It's difficult times, yes, but we should always remember what Christmas is about. It's all about family and love and being grateful for all the things we do have. So from me in Paris, I just want to say happy holidays to everyone all around the world, to all my viewers, and may you have the merriest and happiest of Christmas. From Paris, santé!